normal mode and dark mode, normal mode, dark mode. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video we will learn about how to enable dark mode on our WordPress website, and also we will learn the importance of dark mode in website. So dark mode basically improve the overall user experience of the website, as user eyes feel comfortable reading on dark screen, and also it will improve the user presence on your app or your website. So without further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial we will apply the dark mode on this website. So first thing you have to do is go to your backend and install the plugin dark mode. Type dark mode. Install this one plugin by VP Pool. Click on activate. So this is the backend of the plugin. Here you can switch through different options. You can also enable the dark mode on your backend, but I think you have to disable this option, as we didn't want the dark mode on our backend. On the advanced, you can also make it default mode, and in the color setting you can also adjust it from here. I think these options are with the pro one. And also you can select the switch style for your website. I will select this one, and you can select its animation. As you can see, it will vibrate on the screen when showing on the front end of your website. And also you can select its position. Save changes. Also for the dark mode animation you can also select different type of animation. I will select fade in and click on save. Now go to your website and refresh it. So as you can see, we have now dark mode enabled, and you can switch back to your normal mode and dark mode, normal mode, dark mode. So I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please give it a thumb and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.